One question that we hear time and time again is, when is my spouse going to get served? How long is it going to take to get them served? And that's a great question because a lot of times people want to be on notice that their spouse is going to know about the divorce case or know about the family law case, and they want to, kind of mentally prepare or maybe not be around when that happens. And the answer can vary. When we file the paperwork, it comes back with a summons from the courthouse. And then once we get it back, we normally send it off to someone called a process server. The process server then is tasked with actually physically serving them in accordance with the Florida statutes and making sure that they're on notice of the lawsuit. The process server does not work for our firm, or doesn't work for the law firm normally. They're normally independent companies that do that. However, in many circumstances, we are able to tell the process server that we want you to call our client and kind of coordinate the service with them. That might be so that you don't do it right before they go to work, because maybe they have a really important job, like they're a doctor, and you don't want to mess with their head before they're going into the hospital. It could be that you don't want the kids around when that happens, which would be 100% understandable and something we'd be on board with. So, we can try to coordinate it in some circumstances. Timing also often depends on if the other spouse is cooperative. If they know service is coming, they may choose to try to duck service and hide, or not open the door, or go stay at a friend's house. We've had that happen, and that can affect timing. So it's not a one-size-fits-all answer, but those are some of the ways we kind of handle it. In some circumstances, I've seen service happen in 24 to 48 hours. In some circumstances, I've seen it take a good bit of time because the person's hiding and making it very difficult to serve them. So it's not something that we could just readily answer, but we do have some processes and procedures we developed over the years to try to make it smoother and less stressful on you.